Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to discuss about a very important thing, and this is energy and development. So first of all, let's discuss sustainable development. There are many definitions of sustainable development, including this landmark one which first appeared in 1987. This definition is development that meets the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So now let's discuss the energy related environmental damage. Apart from the problem of energy resources getting depleted, energy harnessing and utilization cause an immense amount of environmental damage. There are environmental problems associated with the use of almost all forms of energy. Some of the problems associated with the use of fossil fuels are global warming, acid rains, dangers posed by leaded fuels, oil spills, gas leaks and explosions. So now let's discuss that what is global warming. Global warming refers to the gradual increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface and its atmosphere, which has been attributed to the accumulation of greenhouse gases. The main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrogen oxides, and all the greenhouse gases except CFCs are naturally produced, and their concentrations in the atmosphere are increasing due to human activities. The effects of global warming include the following: rise in global temperature, like average global temperature, rising sea levels, occurrence of weather extremes, shifting of vegetative zones. The next topic is acid rain. Acid rains are caused by the release of sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen when fossil fuels burn. The oxides combine with water vapor in the air to form acids, which return to the ground as acid rain. It is important to note that acidified clouds could travel great distances before releasing the acid rain. The problems posed by acid rains include corrosion of the built environment, soil degradation, water pollution, and depletion of forests. Corrosion of the built environment. Acids are corrosive. Acid rains corrode the built environment, including buildings, statues, and metal bridges. Now let's discuss the dangers posed by leaded fuels. The oil industry adds lead to petrol or gasoline to help engines run more smoothly. Vehicles that burn leaded gasoline pour out leaded fumes that contaminate the air. The World Health Organization has established that smoke from the burning of leaded fuels in vehicles causes cancer and high blood pressure in adults, and in children it impairs mental development, reduces intelligence, thus hindering learning ability, and causes behavioral disorders. Now let's discuss the theme, and this theme is oil spills. This is leakage of fuel oil from storage vessels, oil tankers, pipelines, tanker trucks, or other vessels used for transporting fuel oil. Oil spills seriously damage the land, vegetation, and water bodies, including the oceans. Fuel oil is poisonous if ingested by animals. In addition, spilled oil damages the feathers of birds or the fur of animals, often causing death. The next topic is gas leaks and explosions. Gas leaks and explosions sometimes accompany the harnessing and utilization of fossil fuels, especially in the coal mines and storage plants. The explosions are sometimes accompanied by fire outbreaks. Gas leaks and explosions have claimed several lives, caused severe injuries to people, and destroyed property worldwide. Water pollution caused by poorly managed coal mines. Excavated areas that have been strip mined for coal but are not filled and not revegetated because water pollution, as surface water runoff from the mined area can flush sediments and sulfur bearing compounds into nearby streams and rivers. This could endanger human life, plant and wildlife communities. Air pollution. Air pollution emissions from vehicles, thermal power plants, and factories contain unburned hydrocarbons, particulates, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and oxides of nitrogen and sulfur that contribute to the lowering of the quality of air. These substances in the air could irritate the eyes, throat, and lungs. Possible solutions for managing energy losses. In spite of the numerous problems associated with the harnessing and utilization of energy, total use of energy worldwide must increase substantially to meet the needs of the growing populations and economies. As we cannot avoid using energy, solutions must be found to the problems that arise from energy harnessing and utilization. Consequently, several clean technologies have been used to address specific energy-related environmental problems. For example, installation of pollution control equipment such as sulfur dioxide removal equipment in industry and thermal power plants. Apart from the technological interventions, the following solutions could help address the problem of depletion and environmental damage associated with the harnessing and utilization of energy. Harnessing alternate energy sources that are inexhaustible and non-polluting, for example, solar, biogas, wind, etc. Using energy efficiently, thereby reducing the adverse environmental impact while at the same time making exhaustible energy resources last longer. Educational institutions, especially tertiary, could help facilitate the realization of the two solutions enumerated above by introducing courses in energy education. Such courses should seek to create awareness about inexhaustible and non-polluting energy sources, equip students with knowledge and skills needed to use energy efficiently, promote energy management in the schools as a practical component of the energy education course.